Hello everyone, today we discuss about molecular manipulation. Molecular manipulation is a collective term referring to several molecule-based powers. In general, this power allows to users manipulate matter on a molecular level. Most branches of this power involve manipulating the speed of molecules. While the potential of this power in its full form could be limitless, most users only possess one or few aspects of this power. Piper Hollowell is the only known user to possess several aspects of this power. Molecular manipulation can be used to achieve several effects. Piper has displayed the ability to create fire and heat with molecular combustion and molecular acceleration, while molecular inhibition can be used to create ice. In molecular manipulation, types of molecular manipulation. Molecular acceleration is the ability to make molecules rotate at a speed which causes them to become disordered. This causes the object to rapidly heat up. As a result of heat, the power can cause a target melt or ignite. Piper developed this ability in 2008. Can cause a target to melt or ignite. Piper developed this ability in 2008 as seen when she intended to blow up the resurrected source of Ali Evil. Though it did not work on him, it made the road below him melt, enabling the charm ones to escape. This ability was later theorized to be the result of Piper having mastered a higher level of control over her more extreme power of molecular combustion. In molecular combustion usually refer to on the show as blasting or blowing is the power of speed of molecules to the point of combustion causing an explosion. It is an advancement of Piper Hollowell's original Warren Watch power of molecular immobilization. It is an extremely rare power and the strongest offensive power possessed by the charm ones. Piper pick up shortly before Prue's death, making Pipers the most powerful of the charm ones. Molecular deceleration. Molecular deceleration is a magical power that enables the user to slow down molecules, causing individuals or objects have delay motion. It is related to the power of molecular immobilization and is apparently neutral, being possessed by both good and evil individuals. However, it may be just be benevolent power, as Cole Turner may have taken it from a demon who in turn had stolen it from a good individual. Molecular dispersion. Molecular dispersion is the power to destroy a target by reducing to its constituent molecules by giving them massive amounts of energy which forces them to scatter. It is very similar to molecular combustion in which molecules are ripped apart but without any combustion. After the parasite demons expose the demonic market, the cron kills one of them with this power. Molecular immobilization. Molecular immobilization, usually referred to as freezing or incorrectly as temporal stasis, is the magical ability to slow down molecules to the point where they move so slowly that things and people appear motionless, therefore freezing the target completely. Piper Hollowell at Charm developed this power in her first year of being a witch. When she first used this power, I could not be triggered or Piper panicking or her being scared of something during which she flicked her stand and froze the target. However, her power advanced to the point where she could control when and what she froze and unfroze, not having to rely on this trigger. In molecular inhibition also called ice stasis, is a more extreme form of molecular immobilization which allows to user completely stop the movement of molecules, causing them to lose energy and be attracted together tightly, crystallizing. The resulting resembles cryokinesis. It immediately crystallizes an object or being, encapsulating them in ice. Ice stasis literally means stopping motion with ice. In molecular reversion is the ability to shift molecules back into their previous order and state. This can be used to revert transform object and being back to their natural form. While inside the nexus of the all, Piper Halliwell become able to use her powers to their full potential, allowing her to revert the soldiers' reneg created from various objects to their original forms. It is hinted that Piper's powers will advance to this stage naturally at some point in the future. Okay, thank you.